In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional-looking logo for your YouTube channel using Canva. The best part is you don't need any design experience, and it's completely free to get started. So let's jump right in. First, head over to canva.com and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top and type in logo. You'll see tons of ready-made templates you can use as a starting point. This is where the fun begins. Pick a style that matches your channel's vibe. For example, if you're running a gaming channel, you might want something bold and colorful. But if your channel is more about lifestyle or education, a clean and simple design works best. Once you've selected a template, click on it, and it will open up in the Canva editor. Now you can start customizing it to make it your own. You can change the text to match your channel's name by double-clicking on it and typing in your brand. Play around with the fonts until you find one that feels right. Canva has a huge library of fonts, so take your time and see what stands out. After that, you can adjust the colors. Maybe you want your logo to reflect your channel banner or thumbnails, so stick with colors that are consistent with your overall branding. This makes your channel look much more professional and recognizable. If you want to add icons or graphics, just click on the Elements tab on the left side. Here you'll find thousands of shapes, symbols, and illustrations. For example, if your channel is about photography, you could add a camera icon. If it's about cooking, you can search for food illustrations. Just drag and drop them into your design and resize them however you like. Canva also allows you to upload your own images if you already have a specific design element you'd like to include. Now, once you're happy with how everything looks, make sure the design is clean, easy to read, and works well even in smaller sizes, since your logo will often appear as a tiny profile picture on YouTube. When you're finished, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose the PNG format because it gives you a high-quality image with a transparent background, which is perfect for logos. And that's it. You now have your very own custom logo for your YouTube channel made in Canva. It's simple, it's fast, and it gives your channel a unique identity that viewers will remember. So go ahead, give it a try, and make your channel stand out with a professional logo today.